स्टूडेंट्स, मैं उमा राठौर। आज हम एमएससी प्रीवियस के पेपर 4 में यूनिट फर्स्ट में जो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा था फूड स्टैंडर्ड एंड स्पेसिफिकेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए फूड स्टैंडर्ड के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे। फूड स्टैंडर्ड अ सेट ऑफ क्राइटेरिया दैट अ फूड मस्ट मीट इफ इट इज़ नॉट टू बी suitable for human consumption, such as sauce, composition, appearance, freshness, permissible additives, and maximum bacterial content. Dictionary of food and nutrition into food standard. Food safety. Access to sufficient amount of safe and nutrition food is key to sustaining life and promoting good health. Unsafe food containing harmful bacteria, viruses, parasite and chemical substance can causes more than 200 different diseases ranging from uh, trachea to cancer. Around the world, an estimated an estimated 600 million amount 1 in 10 people fall ill after eating contaminated food each year, resulting in 4 to 0 deaths and loss of 33 million healthy life year. Food safety, nutrition and food security are closely linked. Unsafe food creates a uh, vicious cycle of disease and malnutrition, particularly affecting infants, young children, elderly, and sick. In addition to contributing to food and nutrition security, a safe, good food supply also supports nutritional economies, trades, and tourism, uh, stimulating sustainable development. The globalization of food trade, a growing world population, climate change, and rapidly changing food system have an impact on the safety of food. WHO aims to enhance at a global and country level the capacity to prevent, detect, and respond to public health threats associated with unsafe food. Antimicrobial resistance in food. Antimicrobial agents are essential drugs for protecting human and animal health. However, the continuing emergency development and spread of pathogenic organisms that are resistant to antimicrobials constitute an increasing global cancer. WHO also provides technical support in the monitoring of antimicrobial use, assessing chemical risk in food. Chemical can end up in food either uh, intentionally added for a technological purpose or through environmental pollution of air, water, and soil. Chemical in food are a worldwide health concern and are a leading cause of trade ob- obstacles. WHO developed scientific risk assessment to define safe exposure level which form the basis for the development of national and international food safety standard to protect the health of consumers and ensure fair trade practices. Foodborne diseases. Foodborne diseases are caused by contamination of food and occur at any stage of food production, delivery, and consumption chain. They can result from several form of environmental contamination, including pollution in water, soil, air, as well as unsafe food storage and processing. Foodborne diseases uh, encompass a wide range of illness from diarrhea to cancer. Most present as gastrointestinal tissue through they can also produce neurological and immunological symptom. Disease causing diarrhea are a major problem in all countries of the world. Through burden is carried disproportionately by low and middle income countries and by children under 5 years of age. Food hygiene are condition and measuring necessary to ensure the safety of food from production to consumption. Food can become contaminated at any point during slaughter or harvesting, processing, storage, distribution, transportation, and preparation. Lack of adequate food hygiene can lead to foodborne diseases and death of consumer. Food technology. Being with Louis Pasteur work with wine, modern food science and technology has made enormous contribution to the safety and availability of food. However, recent development in the field have posed uh, uh, concerns, both real and perceived, about the safety of these technologies. Food safety and nutrition. Food safety and nutrition are inextricably linked, particularly in places where food supply are uh, insecure. When food become scarce, hygiene, safety, and nutrition are often ignored as people shift to less nutritious diet and consume more unsafe food, in which chemical, microbiological, zoonotic, and other hazard pose a health risk. Food standard. The law set out rules that cover the preparation, consumption, composition, and labeling of the food supplied for human consumption. In broad terms, the quality must meet the uh, expectation of consumer. It must be described and not presented in a way that mislead the consumer. Nothing may be added to or removed that would make it harmful to health. Best before use. Buy and sell by best before. This term is appropriate for most food. It related to the quality of food it and indication of the period of which a food can reasonably be expected to retain its optimal condition. Retailers can sell food after the best date provided the food is safe to eat, use, buy. This term is appropriate for perishable food. This food present a microbiological risk to the consumer if sold after the indicated date. sell by. Product may be labeled with sell by and display dates, but these are not required by law and are used mainly for stock control purposes. Chain menu claim. It is very common to find various claims on menus with food establishments. Often, claim are spell used as a uh, selling point and can be a sign of quality. Claim can vary from ones which have protect status due to geographical locations such as Welsh lamb and Welsh beef. Other have protect status due to their traditional production methods such as the Roquefort cheese, which is made from sheep's milk and aged in cave in a particular area of France. Other claim may be associated with the certain type of product to be brands. That is a breakfast that contains a certain brand of baked beans, etc. Menu description. Businessmen must take care so as to not mislead consumers when they describe the food on their menu. Example of misleading claim found by local authorities: first, fire roasted vegetable cooked in an ordinary oven, freshly made meatballs which were brought in from a wholesaler. Homemade soup was dry pack soup mixed with just hot water added. Thank you. Have a nice day.